Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest buyable pins to make sales on Pinterest. There are over 200 million active users on Pinterest, so you can market and make more sales to these active users on Pinterest. What are buyable pins? Buyable pins are pins that allow users to purchase a product inside the Pinterest platform without the users being directed to an outside website. Pinterest does not want its users to wander off their platform, so they created these buyable pins to make the users stay within the Pinterest even if they want to buy something from another website. What makes it different from other pins is that it does have the blue buy button just beside the red pin it button. This is how it looks like. Here's an example view of a product search in a mobile device with a buyable pins. What are the benefits of using buyable pins? Your followers or any user can search for a product they would like to buy in Pinterest, making it their search engine. As your product matches their keyword search, there's a huge possibility that they would land on your buyable pins and purchase the product from there. So make sure to upload a good quality image that is vertical, having 600 by 900 pixels. Let's search for a product. As you click this image, you will see the price here. The good thing here is that Pinterest doesn't get any commission from the sale you make. You will have to process the payment and shipping of the product to the customer, just like in your e-commerce store. In addition, the checkout process is secure and optimized for mobile users. They can purchase using their credit card or via Apple Pay. Requirements to create buyable pins. You need an existing e-commerce platform. Supported platforms include Shopify and BigCommerce. This is assuming that you have already set up your e-commerce platform, and from there, you can apply your buyable pins for your e-commerce site. You must have a Pinterest business account. You can go to this URL, create a new business account, as you can see on the screen, or you may access your existing non-business Pinterest account and convert it from there. Here's how you do it. Click these three dots and choose the Edit Settings menu. You can see the list of menus here. Click Account Settings under Account Changes. Click the Convert Account button, then click Continue. When you have created your business account, you may now start to claim your website in your Pinterest account. To do that, go to Edit Settings, choose the Claim menu. Under Claim Your Website, enter your e-commerce site URL. Then click Claim. Once you submit, pick a claim option. Choose Add HTML tag. Copy this code. You will need to paste this on your e-commerce site. Now click this button. You need to wait within 24 hours until you receive an email like this. It's telling you that your website is claimed, and you will see a green check mark here. Let me show you how to add the code that we just copied to our e-commerce platform. This is Shopify. On the left side, click the online store. Choose Themes. As you can see, this site is password protected. We need to disable the password first to do this. Now on this menu, click Edit Code. You might be overwhelmed with the codes, but don't worry. You just need to click the theme liquid, and on the right side, look for the head tag. Click here and make a new line. Paste the code we copied earlier. Now click Save. Once your e-commerce store has been approved, you can start adding products to Pinterest using the Protected Products board using this URL. This is hidden from the public, so only you can access this. According to Pinterest, it may take 3 to 5 days for your pins to appear as buyable. The simplest way to add product pins to your buyable pins is by using the Save button in Pinterest. so anyone who visits your profile can see them. In your Pinterest account, click an image and you may see the Save button here. Build stories around your buyable pins. This will help you reach more audiences, as stories spark people's interest in your offers. This example pin shows a video about first impressions using the DJI Spark. If you want more people to engage with your pins, follow boards or accounts relevant to your industry. As you can see, this account has many followers. These followers can be your potential target market. You can click the followers, then manually follow them, as 50% of the accounts you followed may follow you back. They will be able to see your pins, especially your buyable pins. With a Pinterest business account, you can take advantage of the marketing tools that Pinterest have, such as the analytics to track the performance of your buyable pins. If you want to optimize your pins, you have to track your data using this analytics. You can view your analytics here. Here's the overview. Now, here's the audience insights. Here you can view your total audience, age, gender, and location. By taking advantage of the business account on Pinterest, you can generate more than 50% of conversions that you already have now using buyable pins. With over 200 million active users, it is not impossible to generate your leads and make more sales from these users. Taking note of the analytics can help you track if your buyable pins are profitable and help you understand your clients more. In addition, you will know how to target the audiences most interested in your product. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to get more learning videos. If you have questions, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Check us out!